Hi and welcome to Let's Learn Some Uke with Chris. Today in Ballast Point Park, Balmain. This is gonna be fun. Fairly easy song with just 4 chords, a 4-chord song. So on the first string, we have the first string, second string, third and fourth string. So if we take the third fret, this is the frets, fret, 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 and so on. Third fret on the first string, the lowest one, we have the chord C. Yeah, and then we have on the second fret on the upper string, the fourth string, and also first fret on the second string from underneath, from the bottom. Yeah, that will be the F chord. So we have C, F, and then we have, if we take like the G, D chord on the guitar, we have the G chord, and that's second fret, third string, second fret, first string, and third fret on the second string. So that's a G chord. Bam, bam, bam. And then we have also the A minor chord, second fret, upper string, or fourth string. And that makes the chords C, F, G, and A minor. A minor 6, or A6 minor, I guess you say. I might use it in this song. Ready? Well, since we're in Australia and everything here is about to kill you, if it's not some very tiny stuff, it's, well, fairly small stuff at least. Everywhere, all around you. Spiders and snakes and sharks. So this is Dangerous Animals of Australia. Redback, funnel web, blue ringed octopus, taipan, tiger snake, and a box jellyfish, stonefish, and the poison thing that lives in a shell that spikes you when you pick it up. Come to Australia, you might accidentally get killed. Your life is constantly under threat. Have you been bitten yet? You only got 3 minutes left for a massive coronary breakdown. Redback, funnel web, blue ringed octopus, taipan, tiger snake, and a box jellyfish, big shark, just waiting for you to go swimming at Bondi Beach. Come to Australia, you might accidentally get killed. Your blood is bound to be spilled. With me your pants will be filled, 'cause you might accidentally get killed. So that's the first uke lesson I will give you. The chord C, G, D, A minor. Also for a bonus, this is the A chord. Second fret, upper string, first fret, third string. See you later.